Alright, for today's video is how to do the Spotify receipt. To create your own receipt, simply go to this website. I have here open already on Google Chrome, the receiptify.heroqapp.com. So you need to log in with Spotify. You'll then have to give permission for the tool to use your data. You'll be able to create receipt based on your music taste over the last 6 months or over your entire listening career. Whatever option you choose, you'll get a receipt style graphic of your top 10 songs. The length of the song is denoted as the amount you brought, with the name and artist listed under the description. It will also be personalized to you with your name printed at the top of your mock receipt. Users have been taking on Instagram and other social media platforms to share their own receipts. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comments section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!